Welcome to Everyday English Practice.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
My name is Mark. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time. What about you?
It is my second time. I like this place.
Yes, it is nice and quiet. Where are you from, Anna?
I'm from Italy. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, Canada is very far.
Yes, it is far, but I like traveling.
Me too. I love traveling.
How old are you, if I can ask?
I'm 26 years old.
I'm 28.
You look younger.
Thank you, that's kind.
What do you do for work?
I work as a graphic designer.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I like my job. What about you?
I'm a teacher.
Really? What do you teach?
I teach English to children.
That's great. English is very important.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I work from home sometimes.
That's nice. I work at a school.
Do you like working with children?
Yes, I do. They are funny and honest.
Do you live alone or with family?
I live alone in a small apartment.
I live with my brother.
Do you get along with him?
Yes, most of the time. Sometimes we argue.
That's normal. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes. I like photography and hiking.
That's nice. I like taking photos too.
What kind of photos do you like?
Nature, food, and people.
I like nature and city photos. What do you do in your free time?
I read books and watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic and comedy movies.
I like action and science fiction movies.
That's interesting. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to rock and soft pop.
I like pop and jazz.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. But I want to learn piano.
That's a good idea. What is your favorite food?
I love pasta and pizza.
Of course, you are Italian.
Yes, food is very important for us.
I like burgers and salads.
Do you cook?
A little. Not very well.
I like cooking at home. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee every morning.
Me too. I can't start the day without coffee.
How many cups do you drink a day?
2 or 3.
Same for me. Do you like sports?
I like yoga and walking.
I play basketball on weekends.
That's good exercise.
Yes, it helps me relax.
What is your favorite day of the week?
Friday. Because the weekend starts.
I like Saturday.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I meet friends or go out for coffee.
That sounds nice. Do you like traveling alone or with friends?
I like traveling with friends.
I like traveling alone sometimes.
Why?
I feel free and relaxed.
I understand that. What countries do you want to visit?
Japan and Spain.
I want to visit Canada one day.
You should. It's beautiful. Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, I do. I am learning Spanish now.
That's great. I want to learn Italian.
I can help you.
Really? That would be amazing.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
I'm a night person.
Me too. I like quiet nights.
Yes, nights are peaceful. What do you usually do in the evening?
I watch TV or read a book.
I listen to music or edit photos.
That sounds relaxing. Do you like this city?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Me too. People are friendly.
Yes, and the food is good.
What time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, I wake up at 7.
That's early.
Yes, but on weekends, I wake up late.
Me too. I sleep more on Sundays.
Do you like mornings?
Not really. I'm slow in the morning.
Same here. I need coffee first.
Coffee is very important. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
I eat yogurt and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
I try to eat healthy.
Do you care about health?
Yes, I do. I try to walk every day.
That's good. I sit a lot because of my job.
Yes, working on a computer is hard. Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and YouTube.
Me too. I watch videos in English.
That's a good way to learn.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Do you read news?
Sometimes. Mostly online.
I read news in the morning.
Is it in English or your language?
Both.
What do you think about technology?
I think technology is useful.
Yes, but sometimes it's too much.
I agree, we need balance. Do you like shopping?
Not really. I don't like crowded places.
Me too. I prefer online shopping.
Yes, it's easier. What do you usually buy online?
Clothes and camera equipment.
I buy books and small things.
Do you like reading paper books?
Yes, I love paper books.
What is your favorite book?
I like simple novels and love stories.
I like travel books.
That makes sense. You like traveling. Do you have a favorite place in your city?
Yes, there is a small park near my house.
That sounds nice.
I go there to relax.
I like places like that.
Do you like nature?
Yes, very much.
Mountains or sea?
See? I love the sound of waves.
I like mountains more.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I listen to music or go for a walk.
I drink tea and read.
That's calming. Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a cat.
I have a dog.
Really? What is its name?
His name is Max.
That's cute. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Me too. They make people happy.
Yes, they do. What kind of weather do you like?
I like sunny but not too hot weather.
I like cool weather.
Summer or winter?
Autumn.
I like spring. Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I do. I like learning every day.
Me too. Learning makes life interesting.
I agree. Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for friends.
What is your best dish?
Pasta with vegetables.
I want to try it someday.
You are welcome.
Are you happy with your life now?
Yes, mostly. I'm thankful.
Me too. Life is not perfect, but it's good.
Exactly. I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. This was a very nice talk.
Yes, I feel comfortable talking to you.
Same here. Let's keep in touch.
Definitely.
Maybe next time we can get coffee together.
I'd love that.
Take care, Anna. See you soon.
You too, Mark. See you.
Bye.
Bye.